Hi, my name is Shreya, and our group's topic is Decentralized Voting System. The members in our group are Shahiq, Usman, Roshni, and me. We chose this topic because the current voting system faces the challenges of ensuring that the votes are not tampered or altered with, which can lead to a lack of trust in the outcome of the election. That's why we need a secure and transparent voting system which can guarantee the integrity of the election process. The blockchain-based voting system can solve many of these problems by providing a decentralized and transparent platform for voting. Blockchain technologies can provide secure and tamper-proof records of votes, ensuring the results of the election are accurate and cannot be manipulated with. Additionally, the blockchain can provide transparency, making the voting process more accountable and allowing the voters to track their votes. Furthermore, the blockchain-based voting system can also provide a more accessible and convenient way for people to vote, making it easier for them to participate in the democratic process. The blockchain can also provide a way to verify the identity of voters, ensuring that only eligible voters can participate in the election. As for the design of the system, we have three phases. Phase 1 is the front end, Phase 2 is the back end, and Phase 3 will be the connection of both of those phases. The admin creates the election, activates the election, observes the votes, closes the election, observes the result, and deploys the result, while the voter will open the ballot, cast the vote, and observe the result.
So here is the diagram for our project, and we have two kind of people who use this voting system. The one kind of person is the user. Now there are two types of users, new users and regular users. Regular user is the one who has already made an account and registered, and the new user is who doesn't have an account but they can register. After that, once they are both registered, they can log into their accounts, and after logging in they can view their they can either register for election to cast a vote, or they can view each candidate's information, or they can go to the view results section to view previous election results. Then there is the admin. The admins are the ones who control the website, and they also have a login. Once they log in, they can create election or add new events. They can also add or remove candidates, and they also declare the results. They can update the website as they want. Thank you. This is the login page for the website. As I said before, the user can log in with their ID and admin can log in with their account, and they will be directed to their respective pages. So they both have an ID and a password, and they just put that in to log in. That takes them forward.
After logging into the website, based on the current role, if the user is an administrator or a voter, they'd be redirected to a screen. In this case, the administrator would be redirected to a screen where they would be able to manage the voting events that are currently happening. In case they want to set up a new voting event, they'll they'll be prompted to add um, new candidates. So, for example, you can have different administrative parties running for an election, and the admin would have the option to add different candidates and to which party they're affiliated to, and they have a time frame to set when the voting ends and starts. From the voter's perspective, once they log into the website, they'll be redirected to a screen where they'd be shown a list of events in which they can participate for a vote. Based on a certain event that they select, they'd be redirected to that screen and all the candidates that are running for that particular voting event. Um, Based on that, the user can choose to vote, register their vote, and it'd be added to the total count, and it'd be completely anonymous and decentralized.
As for some of the challenges in our voter system, there are security concerns, voter authentication, and voter education. For security, decentralized systems need robust security measures to prevent hacking and ensuring the integrity of the voting process. Voter authentication is also very important. Verifying the identity of voters in a decentralized system can be challenging. Ensuring that only eligible voters participate and that they can only vote once requires effective authentication mechanisms. Voter education is also very important. Decentralized systems may require voters to understand new technologies or processes. Providing adequate education and support to voters can ensure that they understand how to participate.
Here is a quick guide on accessing the voting system and how you use it. So for accessing the platform, first you must visit the website/platform hosting the decentralized voting system. Ensure that you are accessing the official and legitimate website to prevent any risks from occurring. Create an account. So if you're a new user, you need to create an account. Follow the registration process, which involves providing basic information and creating login credentials, such as a username and password. Logging in. So when you're logging into your account, use the provided credentials. Make sure to keep your login information secure and avoid sharing it with others. When navigating to the voting section, once you're logged in, make sure you navigate to the voting section of the platform. This may be labeled as Vote, Voting Center, or something similar. While you're reviewing your options, make sure you take your time to review the candidates, propositions, or options available for voting. Read any provided information such as candidate profiles or details about ballot measures. While making your selections, make your selections by indicating your choices for each item on the ballot. Follow the instructions provided on the platform to ensure that your selections are recorded accurately. And while verifying your choices, some decentralized voting systems may offer a verification step where you can review your selections before finalizing your vote. So make sure you take advantage of this to ensure that you've made the choices that you intended. Once you're satisfied with your selections, proceed to cast your vote. Follow the prompts on the platform to submit your vote securely. As a confirmation, once you've cast your vote, you may receive a confirmation message indicating that your vote has been successfully recorded. Make note of any confirmation numbers or receipts provided for your records. When logging out, once you've completed the voting process, log out of your account to protect your privacy and security. This is especially important if you're using shared or public devices.